Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a Jamaican strong back drink. So I'm showing you my ingredients. So I have a banana, some cinnamon here, some fruits and nuts here, raisins and peanuts. I have my nutmeg and my Betty condensed milk. I'm going to be using also Irish mash. Last time I done it on my channel I used Suppogen, but I'm going to use Irish mash. I have some vanilla and some almond flavoring as well, and I have my main ingredient here, which is my oats, my Lasco oats, that's it. So also I'm gonna put a little Lasco in it as well, so just stick around and see what I do next. So let's begin. The first thing I did was added some water, then I'm gonna add my oats. You can use any oats of your choice. You have some people that soak their oats before, so I'm just going to add the water and then the amount of oats to the amount I want. Alright, so I'm adding my fruits and nuts now, and then I'm adding some cinnamon powder I have there for flavoring. So I'm adding my Irish mash. As I said, you can add anything that you want with it. This is a very, variant drink. You can do anything. I'm adding some vanilla as well for flavoring, and also my almond extract. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grate some nutmeg I have here in it. So it does taste nice. As I said, I know persons add like aloe vera in it. You can add also okra. I'm adding my banana now. This is so now I'm adding my condensed milk for sweetening. Just to bring up the flavor a little bit more. So, also, as I said before, you can even add eggs. You can add the egg white if you don't want it like to have the raw part. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and have that closed up and blend. All right. So here's a close-up of it, how it looks on the inside. So as for the blending, you can blend it as how long you want it. You have some people love it thick, some people love it with the peanuts, still have a little crunch. So I blend it as how I wanted it to taste. So this is how it's looking in the end now. I added my Lasco after, I should say. I'm pouring out some now in my glass to go ahead and drink. You can add ice to it, or you can leave it in the fridge so it can be cold and then you have it that way. Alright, so that's it. My twist to the Jamaican strong back drink. Peanut punch, what you want to call it. Some people call it magnum, anything you want to call it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.